Designers need powerful and portable laptops with long battery lives to run programs such as Photoshop or Adobe Premiere Pro while running between pitching meetings or working on the go. We've listed down the top 5 best laptops for designers and their key features, plus the things to consider to help you choose the best one for you. Number 5. HP Envy 13-inch. A laptop with a 1080p monitor should be suffice for designers. However, if you work on professional projects, then you might want something substantial, maybe a 4K display. And the HP Envy 13-inch offers the same with a compact 13-inch 3680 by 2160p, offering higher pixel density compared to many machines with support for touch input. Just like most modern laptops, the HP Envy 13-inch comes with a compact minimal bezel design with an HD web camera at the top of the screen. It also has a built-in fingerprint sensor which makes the machine secure for unauthorized access. The HP Envy 13-inch is powered by the time-tested 8th Gen Intel Core i7-8565U quad-core CPU, which runs at 1.8 GHz regularly and can go up to 4.1 GHz with turbo boost. Thanks to the dedicated NVIDIA GeForce MX250 GPU, it is capable of driving a secondary 4K display alongside the built-in screen. The machine also offers 16 GB of RAM and 512 GB of storage, allowing the user to store a ton of 4K HDR movies directly on the laptop. Plus, it also offers a faster OS boot and can run most software without any issue. The laptop weighs just 2.6 pounds, making it one of the lightest machines in the market with a 4K display. Plus, it also delivers a good battery backup and can last for 9 hours on a single charge with offline use, and when connected to the internet, it can run without a charger for 7 hours. Number 4. Asus Zenbook Pro 14. The Asus Zenbook 14 Ultra Slim laptop. It is one of the most powerful yet compact notebooks with a 14-inch screen in our list. Besides that, the Asus Zenbook 14 also offers features like infrared camera with support for Windows Hello Face Unlock, where art students can just open the lid of the laptop and it will automatically log in without needing any password. It has a 14-inch screen with a 1920 by 1080 pixel screen resolution with a narrow bezel design. The machine offers a higher screen-to-body ratio compared to the competition, which is bright and color accurate. The laptop computer is powered by a quad-core 8th Gen Intel Core i7-8565U with a base clock speed of 1.8 GHz and turbo boost up to a 4.1 GHz. Besides, the built-in Intel UHD 620 GPU is capable enough to support an external 4K monitor. The Zenbook 14 offers 16 GB of RAM, making it future-ready, where an art student can keep open multiple software on the background while surfing the web without any issue. It also has plenty of flash storage, 512 GB to be exact, which allows the user to install software locally without any storage issues. It weighs 2.6 pounds and it offers an average battery life of 8 hours on a single charge, and it just takes around 1.5 hours to fully charge. Overall, it is a great machine for graduating art students who want a laptop that is lightweight and offers great performance. However, if you're looking forward to playing high-end games on this, then this might not be the best choice. Number 3. The Huawei MateBook X Pro. The Huawei MateBook X Pro 2020 is the latest flagship laptop from the Chinese manufacturer. Previous models of the Huawei MateBook X Pro have impressed us with their premium designs and decent specs. It's a nice design, to be sure, with a sleek look that feels sturdy when in use but not heavy or bulky when carried around. With dimensions of 304 by 14.6 by 217 millimeters and a weight of 1.33 kilograms, this is a slightly lighter and more compact laptop than the 13-inch MacBook Pro. While the screen would also be good for video editors and 3D animators and modelers, it's worth noting that the NVIDIA MX250 graphics card is an entry-level laptop GPU, and while it's a step up from integrated graphics, it's not going to be able to handle intensive graphical tasks, and you can forget about playing all but the most basic of 2D games. When it comes to performance, the Huawei MateBook X Pro 2020 handles day-to-day tasks well, and the upgrade from 8th gen Intel processors to 10th generation is a welcome one. With a quad-core Intel Core i5 chip and 8GB of RAM, along with a solid-state drive, it's not surprising to find that Windows 10 feels fast and responsive. When it comes to battery life, the Huawei MateBook X Pro 2020 also performs well, making it to almost 8 hours in our battery life test, for which we play a 1080p video on loop. Overall, Huawei's MateBook X Pro has all the features of a top-drawer laptop and is a fantastic option for designers. Number 2. Acer Predator Helios 300. This laptop is classified as a gaming laptop, meaning it was created to process high-level graphics. As a graphic designer, the way your laptop displays graphics has a direct influence on the quality of your work, so it makes sense to look into gaming laptops. The Acer Predator is equipped with an 8th generation Intel Core i7 processor, 16GB of RAM, and NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1060. Depending on your graphic design needs, the laptop comes in two sizes: the 17.3-inch and 15.6-inch screen size versions. The larger screen size version weighs 9.26 pounds, while the smaller size version weighs 8.16 pounds. The Acer Predator Helios 300 is an affordable laptop, which does mean a compromised design. For the most part, however, this system excels in the most important areas. The full-power GTX 1660 Ti is quicker than the Max-Q version, and fast enough for 1080p and esports gaming. It can handle ray tracing or anything beyond 1080p, but that's expected at this price. Similarly, the CPU is rapid enough for gaming and for day-to-day computing, and the storage and thermal performance are good. Elsewhere, the screen is excellent, and the keyboard and exterior design are all fine, if not brilliant. Battery life is middling, but that's no surprise with a gaming laptop. The cheaper Asus also offers reasonable 1080p gaming power, and it's a little slimmer and lighter than the Acer. However, its GPU and CPU both fall behind the Acer, and it has a far poorer screen. Overall, the Predator Helios 300 has a few flaws, compensates with plenty of power for the professional creatives and mid-range gamers. Number 1. Apple MacBook Pro 15-inch. MacBooks are a favorite among graphic designers for their sleek design and user-friendly nature. The 15-inch MacBook Pro is one of the most powerful Apple laptops yet and boasts a beast of a 6-core i7 processor or 8-core i9 and up to 32GB of RAM. The powerful Radeon Pro 560X GPU has 4GB of memory and is great for graphics-heavy applications like 3D modeling and rendering video. The standard model comes with a 256GB SSD, which can be upgraded to a max of 4TB SSD storage on Apple's website. The 15-inch LED Retina display is bright but easy on the eyes and automatically adjusts to ambient light levels. It can produce up to 25% more colors than standard RGB displays. Unfortunately, it lacks some standard features such as an HDMI output, standard USB or SD card reader, but adapters are available for those. Despite these shortcomings, the 15-inch MacBook Pro is a sleek laptop for animation and design with powerful innards for graphical applications. The 15-inch MacBook Pro is blindingly fast, with beefy 9th gen Core i9 performance and SSD speeds that give the competition whiplash. On the downside, the MacBook Pro has spent a few too many years with the same look, and arguably far more time with the butterfly key switch than it should. The improvements in this year's butterfly mechanism at least sounds promising. Plus, you get a great display, powerful audio, and long battery life. Did this video help you find what you were looking for? If so, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment. Have a